from our customer success team to the way that we schedule our jobs, to the way that we install them. It needed to be a seamless experience.
There is so much creativity that goes into these solutions that we really think outside the box. And when it comes to a scenario that maybe other solar companies will look at it and say, we can't do that, that's where we really shine.
Professionalism and honesty are kind of core to what peak power and what I'm about when I'm talking to a customer. Designing the system the right way the first time is really important to what I do, and important to, I think, what the culture of peak power speaks to as well.
It was outstanding. He answered every question above and beyond our expectations.
And then they also provided me with all of the financials, which is really important to me, showing, okay, how long is it going to take for me to make my money back on this? How does the tax credit work? And having someone who could walk me through all of that made the process incredibly smooth.
We definitely recommend Peak Power
Yeah,
USA.
100%.
We had a great experience.
A lot of effort has gone into making Peak Power the company that when you commit to us, we are just as committed to you.